Dwi wedi cwrdd â Matthew Math unwaith yn barod wythnos yma, ac ers hynny mae fe wedi bod yn brysur yn hyrwyddo'r ffilm. Mae fe wedi bod yn sgwrsio gyda LK, Lorraine Kelly, Alison Hammond o This Morning, a neithiwr oedd e yng Nghaeredin ar gyfer premier y ffilm. Ond dwi wedi dod nôl i Lundain i gael gweld Matthew, Sienna a Ciara cyn iddyn nhw wylio'r ffilm yng Ngwesty Washington. So wish! Mae'n gyffrous iawn fan hyn tu fewn i'r gwesty. Fel chi'n gallu gweld, mae'r criwiau camerâu i gyd yn barod i'r sêr gyrraedd. A dwi jyst yn edrych ymlaen i gael gweld Matthew unwaith eto. It's a pleasure to meet you, Ironwy. Have you enjoyed the film?
I've been to 2 private showings, and the first one was as good as the second one.
And do you think that the portrayal of your father was true to life?
Well, I've got 1 or 2 reservations, but otherwise I thought Matthew Rhys was brilliant.
We're from a Welsh television programme in Wales. Right. So we're friends with Matthew Rhys.
Very good.
I want to ask you, what did you think of him, really?
I love Matthew Rhys. No, I don't. I hate him. No, he's fantastic. He's such a talented actor, and I think it was really important for all of us that we had a Welshman playing Dylan Thomas. You know, there were a lot of Americans who were after it, and everyone just felt that it should be played by a Welshman, and I don't think you could ask for better than Matthew Rhys.
We're from Wales and we're really good friends with Matthew Rhys. Yes, this I was going to ask you. He said that he taught you a lot of Welsh.
Did he?
What can you remember?
Shmai cariad, Folin, which is chicken, Oen, which is lamb.
Yeah.
Diolch i ti, diolch am fawr, am nawr, pam.
Wow. Just the dirt on Matthew then, what did you think of him?
You know what he's like. He's the nicest, most... I just sound like a lovey, but I am. He's fantastic in every way. He's kind and genuine and loyal, like a proper Welsh boy. They all tend to be good boys, I think.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Fi eto. Sut ath di neithiwr yng Nghaeredin?
Oedd e'n gret. Oedd ni'n noson ffantastig. Wara ti.
Sut ti'n teimlo am wneud yr holl gyfweliadau yna?
Fi'n falch iawn o'r ffilm. Fel darn, fi'n hynod falch o'r ffilm. Felly, dwi'n broblem fi gweiddi'r mynyddoedd pa mor hapus fi.
Ie, beth yw'r prosiect nesaf i ti?
Wel, ni'n ganol tymor 3 ar Brothers and Sisters ar y foment. Fel ti'n gwybod, fel ti wedi gweld.
Ie.
A ni'n seithio yn diwedd mis Mawrth nesaf. Felly fyna fyddai nes prynu.
Felly nôl yn LA yn fuan iawn?
Yn fuan iawn, dydd Sul.
A wedyn, pryd fydde di nôl yng Nghymru?
Yng Nghymru fach wedyn dros Gorffennaf. Gorffennaf. Mae wedi gen i thefnos o wyliau.
A ti ffansi dod draw 1 neu 5?
Dwlen ni.
Tan y tro nesaf?
Tan tro nesaf.
Ie. OK, mae'n gallu gweld fi nawr.